Today we come at the closing ceremony of this SSB batch, which was being run for last 15 days. And what I feel is that for all the students, besides training them and orienting them towards the format of SSB interviews and SSB tests in various forms, it was a kind of a on-the-job training given to them as to how to handle these kind of tasks. But the second bigger issue than this is that while you're getting trained on the SSB tasks, there's a transformative change that must have come in your outlook in the way you look at world on various issues and various things. That is a more important lesson that you carry from here. And our belief is that these kind of teachings that you carry after your SSB training will put you at a better pedestal for the SSB as well as for many other interviews that you might face during the journey of your life. Whatever little knowledge, little orientation, little formatting we have done of your mental matrix here to understand things, to conceptualize them, to direct them, use it and build it further on this. It will not require more than 1 hour every day to build up your life skills, which includes your communication, vocabulary, conveying things, setting the stage to understand various geopolitical issues and other things related with the day-to-day life. And it will not affect your professional life also and keep you always motivated. So keep preparing on whatever has been taught to you, and God willing, many of you will make it. And the advantage that we will have is we will be feeding very youthful, energetic, enthusiastic youngsters to the Indian Armed Forces who will do with their job with a lot of integrity and honesty and maintain the image of the service they join and always uphold the image of the country. Thank you very much. The process that will follow is candidates one by one will start coming from my right, and they will give a small brief introduction as they have been told, and they'll be presented with a small souvenir of DDA and expect that once they come back, they will return it with their selection. Thank you very much. My name is, I come from so and so place.
My name is Sheel Katyar. I am from Bareilly.
Congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
My name is Neha Untwal. I am from Nagaur, Rajasthan.
Thank you very much.
My name is Shri Dubey and I am from Ujjain, Madhya Pradesh.
Okay, Shri.
My name is Aditi Bisht and I am from Bareilly, Uttar Pradesh.
My name is Sakshi and I am from Haridwar, Uttarakhand.
Thank you, Sakshi. God bless.
My name is Ramsha and I am from Nainital, Uttarakhand.
Okay, Ramsha.
Thank you.
God bless.
My name is Dimple. I come from Kallakurchi district of Tamil Nadu.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
God bless.
My name is Neha. I am from district Yamunanagar, Haryana.
Congratulations.
My name is Abhishek Singh. I am from Mainpuri district, Uttar Pradesh.
All the best.
My name is Rishabh and I am from Kurukshetra, Haryana.
Rishabh, all the best.
I am Vikas Kuntia and I am from Haridwar, Uttarakhand.
All the best.
My name is Jayesh Kukreti and I am from Pauri, Uttarakhand.
All the best.
I am Nilesh Kumar Pandey and I am from Bakhtar, Bihar.
All the best.
My name is Gaurav Kumar. I am from Karoli, Rajasthan.
All the best.
Thank you, sir.
My name is Ravikant Rai. I belongs to Shopur from Madhya Pradesh.
All the best.
Thank you, sir.
My name is Bajrang Jani. I am from Bikaner, Rajasthan.
All the best. Thank you, sir.
I am Shyam Chaudhary. I am from Sant Kabir Nagar in Uttar Pradesh. अगर डिफेंस में जाने की है ख्वाहिश तो डीडीए है केवल ओनली चॉइस.
Thank you. We will employ him as a marketing manager.
My name is Janoj Pratap. I am from Bareilly, Uttar Pradesh.
All the best.
My name is Mudit Maharshi. I am from Ajmer, Rajasthan.
All the best, Mudit. Thank you, sir.
My name is Atul Yadav. I am from Gorakhpur, Uttar Pradesh.
Okay, all the best.
Thank you, sir.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and Jai Hind to everyone. My name is Mudit Maharshi. I have been preparing for my CDSE examination from Sandeep sir's Doon Defense Academy, and I have been preparing for my GS and the mathematic paper from here. The classes are phenomenal, and I have also been preparing for my SSB entry, which is through NCC, and the SSB class, the interview, the GTO, and the other facilities given here are very tremendous. I would like to thank DDA for my training and my upbringing. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone, I am Gaurav Kumar, belongs to Karoli, Rajasthan. In DDA I am preparing for SSB, and I am also classroom student from DDA. I cleared CDSE exam, and now I am preparing SSB. When I talking experience in SSB, my experience is very good. GTO sir is amazing, interviewing sir and psych sir is also amazing. I suggest to everyone who want to join SSB, come DDA.
Good morning everyone, my name is Nilesh Kumar Pandey, and I cleared AFCAT examination by myself, and then I came here for my SSB preparation. The faculty of the whole DDA is very good, and I really enjoyed here and learnt a lot. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Ravikant. I am belongs to Shopur MP, and recently I cleared my FCAT exam, and I am also be a NCC cadet, so as well I get a chance to attend my both of NCC as I FCAT NCC, SSB as well as my NCC. So I get know about the DDA. DDA was one of the most favorable coaching center here in the Dehradun, and especially I am talking about my psychology sir, group captain AK sir. He was very fascinated personality, and he make me realize that my strength and what can I do upcoming, and as well as I am talking about my Ravi Patel sir, who is a GTO. The GTO part was very prominent, and it decide to you go to in or out. So please visit the DDA and try hard. Thank you guys.
My name is Ramsha and I belong to Nainital, Uttarakhand. I took the SSB batch in Doon Defense Academy, and I would definitely recommend it to other students who want to see a change in their personality. Thank you.
Hello guys, my name is Aditi Bisht. I am from Bareilly, Uttar Pradesh, and I am taking batch for SSB in Doon Defense Academy. Talking about the GTO sir, he has a very interesting way of teaching all the obstacles as well as all the group topics as well, and I tell to everyone who is inspiring to join the forces, please come and visit and have a pleasant stay over here. Thank you.
सभी दोस्तों को जय हिंद। मैं शिवम चौधरी संत कबीर नगर उत्तर प्रदेश से आता हूं। मैं यहां पर एसएसबी की तैयारी के लिए आया हूं, और यहां पे मैंने एसएसबी की तैयारी की, जिससे मुझे बहुत ही अच्छा मिला, मुझे मेरी पर्सनालिटी डेवलप करने में, और यहां के एसएसएफ जो हैं बहुत ही अच्छे हैं। सो आपसे भी उम्मीद करता हूं भाई, अगर आपको भी आवश्यकता है तो आप आ सकते हैं यहाँ पे। और लास्ट में यही कहना चाहूँगा कि अगर डिफेंस में है जाने की ख्वाहिश, तो DDA है केवल एक ही चॉइस।
Jai Hind everyone, I am Rishabh and I am here for the preparation of the SSB. I cleared my NDA through my self-study, and the experience for the SSB coaching here was very good. I learnt a lot of things and learnt a lot about my mistakes also. I think I will do a lot better in the SSB after this coaching. Thank you.
My name is Sakshi, and I have came here for NDA SSB entry, and I think I got the best guidance over here, and this would be very helpful for me in SSB, including the GTO, which are very nice classes, and interview gave me a lot of confidence about myself. Thank you.
I am Shri Dubey, and I am here for NDA entry for SSB training of 15 days batch. My experience in this academy is literally very much good. The teachers are too supportive and helpful, and also their nature is so jovial, as they make the atmosphere in the class is literally so good and comfortable. Thank you.
Kindly subscribe DDA YouTube channel and don't forget to press bell icon.